Hey everyone, as you can see in my hands, this is Jio Fi 3 device from the Reliance, and today I'm gonna review it. As you can see, this is very well built and beautiful device from the Reliance, and in the back side of it, it is written design in India, but the device is actually manufactured in Taiwan. This is the box of the Jio Fi 3 hotspot device. As you can see, it is priced at 2700 rupees, which is the MRP here, but you can get this device in only 2000 rupees. Some vendors are selling it at 2400 and 2500, but you need not to worry when Consumer Forum is here. To open the box, you have to cut the seal here, and after opening it, you will get this. After opening the box, you may find these things inside the box. That is a cable, that is USB cable, and an adapter, device itself, and the battery. Also inside the box you will find the three cards. One is Jio 4G voice card, Jio Fi setup, and a warranty card. So here Jio 4G voice card tells you how to connect your phone via device for the calling purpose. Okay, so here next 5 steps to be connected everywhere. Oh my god, this is the guide. Okay, we'll talk about it later. And this is warranty card, which comes in handy if you require any replacement on device or manufacturing defaults, of course. So let's begin. Here you can see there is a SIM slot and a memory card slot. So you can insert a memory card in this device too, which can be shared among the devices wirelessly with this hotspot. This will accept only nano SIM, so we have to cut down the SIM into a nano part to insert it. There's a nano SIM. Okay, now we're gonna insert it. There is a nano SIM and we're gonna insert it here. So we have inserted a nano SIM here. Now we will install the battery here. After completing the assembly of battery and the device, now we are ready to power it up. So here is the power button, which we have to press for 3 seconds to wake it up. Okay, the LED is lit. Now we know the device is ready. Oh my god, 3 beautiful LEDs. Here is WPS button, and here is the mini USB port. As you can see, there are 3 different LED indicators. One is for battery, one is for mobile network coverage, and other is for hotspot. So these 3 LEDs generate different color at different times. One color is red, one color is green, and one color is blue. All the colors have different meaning. And this last LED indicator of hotspot symbol indicates whether a device is connected to the Jio Fi 3 device or not. Now the question persists, how to connect to Jio Fi 3 device. To connect to Jio Fi 3 device, we have 2 options here. One is WPS and another is through Wi-Fi SSID. The default Wi-Fi SSID and password is provided over here on the back side of the box. You can look there and can select from the phone. This is the application Jio 4G Voice, which will make us enable to call from our phone through the Wi-Fi hotspot. If you want to configure Jio Fi 3 device, you can configure it simply by using a URL, that is this, and the configuration page will be opened. From there you can log in. Default login user ID and password are administrator and administrator. You can later on change. If you want to reset your Jio Fi 3 device, you can simply do it by using a safety pin, inserting in this hole and pressing it for 3 seconds. This is the reset button here, and you can reset it. Now time for conclusion. On the price tag of 2000 rupees, this device is very handy, very lucrative, and very ergonomically beautiful and must-have device if you want to use the Jio, of course.